Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we tour the world's most extraordinary luxury homes and iconic estates. Today, we're taking you to absolute island perfection as we step inside Naname, an ultra-private, beachfront masterpiece located in the heart of Oil Nut Bay, a home that defines elegance, exclusivity, and refined island living. From the moment you arrive at this spectacular property, privacy and sophistication take center stage. As you pass through the grand entrance gate and enter the lushly landscaped courtyard, you're immediately immersed in a serene oasis. Tropical greenery, refined architectural lines, and calming natural textures set the tone for what is truly a one-of-a-kind luxury retreat. Step inside, and the villa opens up to breathtaking panoramic views of turquoise waters and white sand beaches. Floor-to-ceiling glass fills the home with natural daylight, highlighting a beautifully curated palette of soft cream tones, elegant grays, and warm golden accents. Every detail has been meticulously designed to create a sense of calm, openness, and timeless luxury. The main living room is both expansive and inviting, offering the perfect space for entertaining or simply relaxing while enjoying uninterrupted ocean views. Custom furnishings, refined finishes, and seamless indoor-outdoor flow make this space feel effortlessly luxurious. This is where modern design meets laid-back island comfort. Just beyond the living area, you'll find a gourmet family kitchen designed to impress even the most discerning chefs. Featuring top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and sleek marble countertops, this kitchen is both functional and stunning. For elevated hosting, the home also includes a separate private chef's kitchen, allowing events to unfold seamlessly while maintaining complete privacy. The formal dining area is perfectly positioned to capture stunning ocean views, making every meal an unforgettable experience. Whether hosting intimate dinners or large gatherings, this space delivers elegance and atmosphere in equal measure. Naname offers 6 luxurious en-suite bedrooms, each designed as a private sanctuary. The primary suite is a true retreat, complete with serene ocean views, direct outdoor access, and a spa-inspired bathroom featuring a soaking tub, premium stone finishes, and elegant gold fixtures. Every bedroom throughout the home provides exceptional comfort, privacy, and refined design for family and guests. For entertainment and relaxation, the villa features a custom-designed media room, ultra-cozy and ideal for movie nights or quiet evenings indoors. There's also a fully equipped private gym, allowing you to maintain a luxury wellness lifestyle without ever leaving the property. Staff quarters are thoughtfully integrated, ensuring seamless service and functionality. Step outside, and the experience reaches an entirely new level. The expansive outdoor entertaining area showcases a breathtaking infinity-edge pool, a decadent hot tub, and a beautifully manicured lawn that leads directly to the pristine white sands of the bay. The connection between the home and the ocean feels effortless, creating a true beachfront lifestyle. Whether you're relaxing poolside, enjoying sunset cocktails, or walking straight onto your private stretch of beach, every outdoor space has been designed to maximize comfort, privacy, and unforgettable views. This is indoor-outdoor living at its absolute finest. Despite its remarkable seclusion, Naname is located within easy walking distance of Oil Nut Bay's exclusive beach club and luxury resort amenities. You'll enjoy access to world-class dining, wellness facilities, and recreational experiences, while still returning home to a peaceful, private sanctuary. Every corner of this villa reflects uncompromising craftsmanship and thoughtful design. From the custom furnishings to the flawless finishes, no detail has been overlooked. This is not just a home, it's a lifestyle statement, a private escape, and a rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise. Here on American Dream Mansions, we showcase only the most exceptional properties in the world, and Naname at Oil Nut Bay truly stands in a class of its own. For more information on this property or any luxury real estate in South Florida, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible tour right here on American Dream Mansions.